I mean, all horses will stop if you do the right thing, but you may need to be right at the right on a horse that where you've got to go, sorry, honey, we're retraining how you think about the bit. I know you thought it was for leading on, but it's for something different. So you don't really want to be doing your first lessons with somebody in that situation, but sometimes that's the horse they arrive on and that's what you're doing.
I mean, that's why I'm a great believer in putting people on good schoolmaster horses
Yes.
and creating those horses for your students if you can. One of the other things I know about your methods, which I really believe in, is giving people stuff to do when they're not on the horse. So
Absolutely.
I do half my teaching, I'd say, is not with a pony. It's just with the monkey. And if you're getting certain muscle memories, whether it's for in-hand work or whether it's for ridden work, so that when you're presented with the pony, either at your side or underneath your butt, you can access these
Yes.
muscle memories. Talk to us about what are your main go-tos with this?